Hi dear students, welcome back. It's time to do read out aloud, which is read alouds. We have to read the I sound words. S-I-D, Sid. H-I-T-S, hits the L-I-D, lid. Sid hits the lid. I had a big ship. B-I-G, big. S-H-I-P, ship. I had a big ship. Read the given words and circle them in the given paragraph. Like we always do the same exercise. It's time again to do I sound exercise. यहाँ पे हमें कुछ words दिए गए हैं I sound के, उनको read करने के बाद हमें paragraph में उन्हें circle करना है. P-I-G pig, W-I-G wig, B-I-G big, F-I-G fig, P-I-T pit. Here is a P-I-G pig. The pig is big. P-I-G pig, B-I-G big. The pig wears a wig. W-I-G wig. The pig digs the pit. P-I-G pig, D-I-G-S digs, P-I-T pit. The pig got a fig. P-I-G pig, F-I-G fig. So we have done this also. See you next time.